Charlie, say hi. Say. Hi.
So we gotta stop at Lowe's and get what?
Bunches of mulch. Bags and bags. As much as the truck will hold.
Oh.
More landscaping, stakes, and more fabric. So they came back on.
I feel a sneeze coming on. So, was there a tornado last night?
I never heard.
There was reportedly a tornado that came through here last night, and so we are gonna have a very rough day. I'm just starting to sweat. I gotta roll the windows back down. It smells like poop in here, and I'm sweating.
So we left our dog in here when we went into Lowe's really quick, and I guess it gave her anxiety, and she pooped in the car, in the cup holders.
She pooped in the center console. It fell into the cup holder. She was sitting in the poop. We just wanted to load up some mulch, but it didn't work out so well.
I lost my appetite.
That's an understatement. I peeked in and I got a whip of it and I said, that's not for me. That is all you, Mom. Yeah, so this day hasn't gone off to a great start.
No.
And it's probably going to start downpouring on us while we're out here. So it's all right. We're here to embrace it. What you been doing?
I've been chainsawing for my 2 chainsaws. No.
Whoa! Oh, mama.
And that's how it's done.
It only took about 40 loads, but it's cleared. 3 hours later.
What is it? Stop. Ew.
It's a worm. How's it going?
4 separate ones.
Ew. You good, bro?
Run, run, run.
I think if I try to do like a cartwheel right now, my hands would give out on me.
Try it.
I shouldn't anywhere over here.
Do right there.
Oh!
Acer.
Come here, buddy. Hi. 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 What are you doing?
I'm exhausted.
I think we need to keep this short and sweet. So we've had a rough 2 days.
Please don't fall backwards in that hole.
We got all the trees up. We got like 90%, that's pushing it, like 80% of the landscaping done. And it was rough. Took us like 8 hours today in 90-degree weather. So
It was rough.
I think that's going to be it. All right, say goodbye, Mom.
Bye.